Well, Julie, I'm so happy that you're here. We have been doing other videos with Lynn, and I know you have a lot of things to share with us.
Oh my gosh, the North Carolina Pickle Festival is just around the corner, April 27th.
I know.
It's going to be a big deal.
It's going to be a big deal. I cannot wait. And it's a big deal with these virtual recipe contests, because we had so many recipes and it was so hard to find the winners. But the winners are the winners.
Oh my gosh, and I heard that the first two that y'all cooked was just delicious.
Delicious, delicious. And this one is a strawberry pickle jalapeno jam.
Ooh,
So,
sounds yummy to me.
And I already did all the washing and the chopping for you, so you don't have a lot of work to do.
Good.
Other than eating the jam.
Okay.
So that will be a lot of fun. So right now, what we have to do, we need to put the strawberries in the pot. And that's a 1 pound of strawberries.
I love strawberries, I'm just saying.
Oh, me too, and they are coming. This is the season, so what a better recipe. Then we're gonna have the pickles.
Okay. Are these dill pickles?
The dill pickles, they are chopped pickles.
My Lala pickles are the best in the world.
Oh, they are just so good.
You know, My Lala Pickle Company is located at the corner of Cucumber and Vine in My Lala.
That is so funny. The first time I think that I heard that, I thought somebody was making fun or joking.
No, it's for real.
I know it's for real now, but I thought it was a joke. Then we have 1 jalapeno, and I remove all the seeds just in case it's too hot.
Thank you so much.
And the next thing that we're gonna put is 1.5 cups of sugar.
Ooh, this looks like a lot of sugar.
Well, you know, when we're making jam, we need to jam with the sugar.
What did it say we need to jam?
Jam. So, and then we need 1/2 cup of pickle juice.
Okay. Good old pickle juice. You know, when I finish eating the pickles out of my jar, you know what I do? Tip that jar back, I drink the pickle juice.
It's really good for you. Yes.
You know, My Lala Pickle makes their own pickle little juices. You know, you can do little shots of pickle juice.
You know, normally in this kitchen, we only do nutrition recipes.
I know.
But then when Julie
when I come in the pickle
said,
recipe contest.
only because we love local foods. So
I
we
mix-
love Julie too. So you're gonna mix it. Actually, we're gonna put low heat.
Okay.
Let me help you with this. Okay, now it's coming. And we're just gonna dissolve the sugar on low heat. And then is when we're gonna let it boil. And then, this is one thing in here, that we're just gonna stay in here for around 15 minutes.
Okay.
Just stirring and stirring and stirring until this is ready.
Okay. Well, this is my kind of recipe. Easy.
Oh, really? Okay. I was like, okay, now I need to be stirring for 15 minutes, but Julie's gonna do it. And we can talk about the festival while we stir and stir.
Yes, well, we have so many activities planned. I can't hardly wait. We're gonna have a puppet marionette show.
Oh no, I'd love it.
Yes.
When is gonna be that?
What's
Saturday?
that? Oh, it's gonna be Saturday, April
Saturday.
27th, and they're gonna be doing shows throughout the whole day.
Oh.
And we have a whole kids area with all kinds of inflatables. And do you know what soccer ball is?
No.
It's like soccer, and you're wearing this great big bubble around you, and you're wearing the bubble, and I'm wearing the bubble, and I'm trying to kick the ball that way, and you're trying to kick the ball this way, and I'm knocking you down, and you're
do we need
ball.
to? No, I get it now. Knocker ball. Do we need to register for that?
No, you can pay when you come and do it. We've never had it at the Pickle Festival. I think it's going to be a hit.
It is going to be a hit. Oh, it is so much fun. So now that you dissolve everything, so we're going to take it to boil. So we're going to put it to the max, because we want these to boil. But be sure that you're still stirring, because we don't want that sugar to burn.
Okay.
Then we'll show everybody. We'll stay a little bit in here talking about the festival. Tell me more.
Yes. And you know, the our Wayne County Library has a new bookmobile, and it'll be there, and they're going to be doing story hour in the morning and crafts in the afternoon. So lots of activities for the children to participate in, and then of course lots of things for the adults as well.
So we really need to plan to stay all day
Oh, you
long.
need to be there all day long from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. And you know, at the University of Miami, we have helicopter rides. You ever been in a helicopter?
No, I haven't.
Yes, and so you can take a helicopter ride. They're $40 a person.
Oh, that's not bad.
No, and you get this great great view of the festival with all the people and
then
everywhere.
you can also check that one like,
Off your list. Been
yes.
there, done that. Did it at the Pickle Festival.
That's right.
A petting zoo. We just have all kinds of cool things going on. And at 3 o'clock, we do a mascot race. We ask our local companies and businesses to ask their mascots to come out. So it could be the UMO Trojan, it could be
I think
Liberty
I have seen
Tags.
pictures of that.
Oh
and
my
it is
gosh,
so
it is
cute.
so funny. And they race down the street. And of course, Ali Cucumber is kind of cumbersome, so he can only kind of walk like this. He'll never win, but he
No,
has a lot
I
of fun.
guess.
It's a lot of fun. There's so many cool
Unless you
things.
can find someone with long legs. I think that will work.
Yeah, and it's a lot of fun, and like Lynn, I think Lynn mentioned to you when she was here filming that this year's 4 stages of entertainment. We normally have 3, and we've now added a 4th stage of entertainment. So you got bands, you got gospel music, you got dance performers, you got all kinds of stuff, entertainment
And
going
I
on.
heard that you also expand
The footprint.
Yes.
We did. We have 175 vendors this year, the most we've ever had. So we've moved a portion of our car show to a different location to allow us to expand the footprint and bring in more vendors because it's so many people. It's congested. It's a great problem to have. And we're walking like this down
I
the
know.
street.
But not this year. Not this year.
No, we're gonna spread it out a little
That's
bit.
right.
Yes.
And that's another thing that I love about this festival. I mentioned it to Lynn, that this is not about just the festival or just the Olive Company, but it's about, how are you also helping those vendors? Because this is an opportunity for them to make some money and to also to put their business, out.
And many of our local merchants and local civic organizations all have a booth, and it's their opportunity for them to raise money that they're putting right back into our community and helping other people. So it is more than about just coming and eating pickles, even though the Malala pickles are delicious, right? But it's really about the economic impact that our festival has and about celebrating the role of agriculture in our community and particularly in Wayne County.
That's right. So I don't even know if I mentioned this to you, the winner. Did I say the winner?
No, I don't think you said the
No.
winner. We need to know who the winner is.
Our winner is from Atlanta, Georgia, and it's Claire Wolfall. So excited. Congratulations. This is our appetizer for this year. And I just like the combination between strawberries, jalapeños, and pickles.
Pickles.
Oh, you cannot ask for a better combination.
No. And of course, Claire is going to win 1 year's supply of pickles, free pickles from Malala Pickle Company.
And you know what, Claire? I think you need to start thinking of next year's recipe. With all those pickles, you're going to have to
Yeah, you're going to have a lot of pickles in your house.
Yes. So what we're going to do now, we're going to wait for these to boil. I think it's almost there. And then we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, Julie, this is the time.
Oh my gosh, all that cooking we've done and it's finally ready.
Yes, and we had to let it cool a little bit. It took around 15 minutes to get ready. So we let it cool a little bit because I didn't want you to burn your mouth.
Yes, I don't need to burn my mouth.
So now let's start it. I have crackers or I have biscuits, whatever you want to use.
Okay, it's gonna be good.
Again, I just think this combination, I'm gonna get a cracker. Oh my goodness, yes. And can you see those pickles there?
Yeah, I see them. I see them.
Okay, I'm ready.
Right, let's go.
I'm gonna put it in my mouth.
I got strawberry all over my face now. It's good. It is really good. Not a strong pickle flavor though.
No.
Which is good. I taste a lot of strawberry.
This is delicious. I see it. You're gonna stay after the recording. You're just making a mess in my kitchen.
That's what I do best, Michelle.
I know.
I can't help it, but yeah, this is a winning recipe.
It is.
She needs to.
In a very easy appetizer because you can just have it in, especially I always think about, strawberries are in season. Well, they will be very soon. What do you do with all those strawberries? And then you have pickles.
Hello. And then add in jalapenos.
So this is wonderful. Anything else that you want to tell me about the festival?
Well, if you're not planning on coming to the Pickle Festival, you need to go to our website, ncpicklefest.org. when you see the whole list of activities, you're like, I'm getting in my car, I'm heading to Mile Island, because there's so much to do, and it's going to be a lot of fun. And
an all day.
And guess what? Mile Island Pickle gives out free pickles all day long.
Oh, that's
free
it.
parking, free shuttle, free pickles. I mean,
What
bring
else
it.
can you? Yes, yes. So this is a great opportunity to take the kids to learn more about our community. So let's go to the Pickle Festival.
I'm in.
That's good.
See you
next
April
time.
27th.